Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to wash this wig to see if all of this stuff come out like they say it's gonna come out. So y'all are gonna get to see that with me. If you missed this look, make sure you check it out. I will have it in the cards. So let's jump into it.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. The second wig. So as you can see, my mannequin head really took the color very well, and the wig is on the floor of the tub. So there she is down there, and I've been washing all of my wigs. So if you see hair in the tub, it's shed hair from the wigs. I do clean my tub, okay? So let's turn the water on. So as you can see, as soon as the water hits it, the color basically comes off. So of course, I'm going to shampoo it with this Aussie Moist, and she's going to be good as new. So I have finally cleaned up all of that sugar skull stuff. This was just, oh, I should have took a picture so y'all could see how chaotic it was look. But I got my area back neat in case you guys would like to see it. If y'all want like a tour or something like that, I will definitely show you guys everything that's over here. And over here I have a lot of palettes and stuff over here, some decorations like face masks, all that blah blah blah. So we're here for the wigs. So this is how this beauty came out. Washed her up really good. All of the color came out. I washed this one better than I washed the other one. This is the other wig. I went ahead and flexi rotted it because that's how I like to wear it. And let me see. No, it was this one. So the white band wasn't stained and the lace wasn't stained. So when they say, you know, add a little shampoo, dab or do ya, they didn't tell no lies. So for this one in the lace, when I was curling it, I did find like a few little pink specks here, but that's not bad. You know, the next time I wash it, that'll come out. So for this one, I washed it a little bit more, you know, intensely. Make sure I got all through the hair and everything. So definitely enjoyed the product. Something that I enjoyed it because it was something different. Gave me an opportunity to not permanently color a wig that I already have, but just, you know, temporarily do it for a look. So I enjoyed that. The stuff is strong though. That's the only thing. Stuff is very strong. When I put it on during the sugar skull look, all of this dust was everywhere. I felt like some of the dust had got in my mouth, or maybe I breathed it in or something, and I'm already dealing with allergies and all that kind of stuff. So yes, definitely well ventilated room. I did it in my bathroom, and I feel like the stuff is still in my bathroom, which may sound weird, but I'm going to mop the floor and all of that to make sure that none of that residual powder is still in there. So would I recommend it? I mean, yeah, you know, I would. Just know what's gonna come with it. So these are all of the colors. I think one of these pink ones is empty, and then I used the purple, blue, and red. So I do have some white. I think that might be interesting. And these are the other headbands and things that I picked up in that Dollar Tree haul. So definitely check out the videos to see the full looks, to see the breast cancer awareness look, to see the sugar skull look, to see all of that, all of the pieces, the nails, the hair, and the full look. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share the videos. Trying to get these views up. We are getting a play button in 2021, so let's do it. Make sure you guys remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
Fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.